Hey sweeties, awesome to see ya. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Popping Candy Shoes. I'm here today to do our very first unboxing video. We just received a couple of new pairs from Hot Chocolate Design, and I wanted to share them with you today. So we're going to do Gothic Lolita, and this happens to be my size, 39. Woot woot. So I just wanted to show you first the absolutely gorgeous packaging. So the Hot Chocolate Design shoes all come in this milk carton shaped packaging, and you just need to open it. Don't worry about opening it from up here. No one wants to do that. It's so hard. We all know. The struggle is real. But they've put this awesome little opening section down at the bottom there. So you just need to slide that open. And then I look inside, and that's how the shoes come, tucked snugly right inside. And they are wrapped in a really cool, reusable, non-woven cloth with the Hot Chocolate Design logo all over it. So there's your first clue that these are legit. As you all know, Popping Candy Shoes is the official authorized wholesaler, I should say, for Australia. We are the distributors of these shoes here in Australia. So you can always be certain that shoes bought from Popping Candy and our stockists are legit, 100% real, the chocolaticas from Hot Chocolate Design. But another way to tell is the beautiful logo tag that comes on there, and also, of course, lots of logos all around. You can find the official Hot Chocolate logo on your shoes everywhere, even on the sole. Speaking of the sole, these are a rubber sole shoe, faux rubber. Sorry, lost my train of thought. Synthetic rubber, that's the word I'm looking for. And they are nice and patterned and textural, so you can keep from slipping at work if you wear these to work, which I always do because they are incredibly comfortable, as many of you know. They come with the little paper stick to keep them nice and shapely, and also the packing in the toe. You'll see these guys every unboxing video for the rest of my life, and every time I take a pair out for a customer to try on at a pop-up shop or anywhere else, these little silica gel packets just follow me everywhere. But don't eat it. We all know, do not eat the silica gel, people. It's a drying agent. It's meant to keep your shoes fresh and not getting moist from overseas different temperatures and humidities and ocean travel and all of that fun stuff. So these keep them safe. So if you're going to store it in the box, make sure you keep that in the box. Okay. So Gothic Lolita, I'm just going to show you one because, I mean, this is not a mismatched pair. These are a perfect match with each other. So we'll concentrate on showing you one properly. So this beautiful pattern is sort of a 3D effect quilted pattern here and at the toe. I'll try and go in a little bit close so you can see that magnificence. And then in that center section there is a Gothic sort of pattern, like maybe a Gothic wallpaper. It's really cool anyway, really gorgeous, with a beautiful maroon interior. Nice cushioning in there. It's good support. I wear these all day long, every day. We've got a black buckle on this one this time to match the overall monochromatic effect we have going on here. So Gothic Lolita, these are called, again, just to reiterate. These will be live on our website very, very shortly. We are waiting for official images, but if they don't come in the next little bit, I will pop them up without an image, and we will put a link to this video in the description so that you can check it out. So if you followed that link, then you know you could buy them right now. So these beauties are available in sizes, adult sizes, 5 to 12, which will read as 5/5.5/35 to 12/12.5/42 on our website. So just line up your most often purchased size, whether you're an 8 or a 7 or a 6 or etc. just find the number that looks the closest to what you normally buy. If you're ever the half size, then look for the half size. And yeah, that's the easiest way to find your size with Hot Chocolate Design shoes. They are a nice roomy fit. They have a beautiful wide toe box and incredibly comfortable for all day wear. And also the canvas upper means that they are machine washable. So woohoo for that. We do love the convenience of being able to give them a freshen up in the wash. And yeah, absolutely stunning, really gorgeous, so beautiful. I'll come in a little bit closer again so you can see the pattern. There's the two different patterns there. Really beautiful. And I'm going to make these pair my own. So yay me, I get the first pair. These will be available this weekend at our pop-up shop. Actually, not only this weekend, but we are going to be at Winter Garden in Brisbane for the next 10 days, starting tomorrow. So Fridays are 9 to 9. So if you work days, you can come see us in the evening. And we, of course, will be open on the weekends as well. So I believe our hours are Monday to Thursday from 9 to 5:30, Fridays 9 to 9, Saturdays 9 to 4, and Sundays 10 to 4. So please do come in, check us out. We're there with our best mates, Lorena Jean Retro, with all of her incredible dresses. I can't wait to wear a new dress tomorrow. I'm so excited. So please come on in, pop in, say hello to us. Brisbane City, Winter Garden, just off the Queen Street Mall. And we are super excited for this. 10 whole days, guys. So rush in, but we will be restocking, of course, over the 10 days. So you will miss out on some things because we do have limited stock of some items, as always. But yeah, pop in. And if we've sold out of it and we still have it left in the warehouse, you can get free shipping to get it sent to you. So thank you so much, and we will catch you on the flippy. See ya. Bye.